But we want to discuss one particular name and listen in and come to you. I don't know if you have a view in particular. I'm talking about Mirc Electronics, MIRC Electronics. Now, most of us would know this as the Oneida brand. For many of us, it was basically the first piece of television, Oneida, the man with the horns, right? And they've yesterday, by the way, the stock has gone from 15 to 26, 75% in 7 or 8 trading sessions now. Nimesh told us a couple of days back that Mirc is going to raise money, is going to do a pref issue to some high net worth individuals, etc., an attempt to revitalize the company, and the announcement came through. They're raising 150 odd crores via a pref issue. Nimesh, morning. Congratulations. First up, tell us more.
So, Prashant, as you rightly pointed out, very old company, not done much in the last many years. Finally, it looks like they're waking up. They want to make some changes. So, first, the big announcement which came last evening, that is a preferential issue to 4 investors. They're raising 150 crores by giving 8.89 crore shares to 4 investors, basically on a pref basis, and they're raising 150 crore rupees. So, that's a big announcement which has come over the night. So again, very small company, 750 crore market cap and raising almost 150 crores. So these 4 investors combined will now own close to 24% stake in the company. Of course, it's a pref, so the conversion will take over a period of time, but money will come into the company in months and days and months to come. So that's a big announcement. As you rightly pointed out, Prashant, very old company we've been seeing since our old age, but nothing has happened in the company, right? I mean, if you look at the numbers also, I was just looking briefly on the screener. For the last 10 years, they've not made profit. Only barring one year when they made some 20 odd crores of profit, it's largely been loss-making. Again, I think that is a big issue for them, sitting on 500 crores of debt as well.
But number is pretty, they do 750 odd crores in sales, top line.
Yeah, exactly.
And market cap is 750 odd crores.
Correct.
But as you say, they've not been profitable.
So maybe, what investors would have thought is they're getting for less than one-time sales, right? That could be the one big trigger. And also the fact that, now these investors will own close to 24%. Yeah. They can make some calls, make some changes in the board as well. Also, they have a manufacturing facility. So for many years, there was an anticipation that one of those OEMs may look to tie up or acquire and use that facility. So maybe all this could be on the cards going forward. But the fact is that 24% is bought by four market investors, and they're putting in 150 crores in a company which has not done anything in the last 10 years. Just to note that very small company, and also they have a debt issue. So that's something which, again, not only this particular fundraising, I was just looking at the last few announcements. Apart from the pref issue where they've raised 150 crores, only in the last few months, they've done a couple of further fundraising as well. A rights issue, they've done a 4.5 crore shares rights at a price of 10 rupees. So that money is going to come in. And also they did an NCD issue of 60 crores. So they've done some fundraising activity in the last, say 3, 4, 6 months. So they have capital now. Again, allocation would be important. But the fact is that 4 investors have come in and picking 24% stake, putting in money, 150 crores. Just need to see how it pans out. But again, it looks like there could be something on the cards as far as reviving this brand and reviving this company is concerned.
And the next thing to watch will be getting new people.
Absolutely.
Who's going to run the business?
Getting a new team, I think that would be on the cards, right? Yeah. They will hire some new team. Yeah. They'll hire people from the industry. Yeah. Also, as I said, there could be a potential tie-up with one of the OEMs to use the facility as well. So I'm sure if these 4 investors are coming in, they would have something on the sleeves as far as plans to revive this company. So
absolutely.
We'll have to wait and watch. But yeah, the big announcement is 150 crores raised by Mirc Electronics.
I was thinking, Nimesh, and this is something you alluded to earlier as well. A completely different context, but in a way, there's a common thread. We reported that Samman Capital thing, right? A lot of these, it kind of tells you whether beaten down companies, maybe cheap companies, people going in, trying to engineer a bit of a turnaround. Similar kind of thought process. Different businesses, much larger,
absolutely.
Of course, that one.
And that's happening, right? And the other thing is that now a lot of these big investors are having this firepower and money power to go in and revive and look at taking a board seat. And also I'm sure with this 24% there could be board changes, board seat as well, maybe a new CEO or a new team to take this forward. So we'll have to wait and watch, but at least the news is that 150 crores has come in from foreign investors.
Good intent. Let's see whether or not the retail audience does make money, because in the past as well, when the promoters have tried, I remember 2018 when they came to the studio as well, and they promised a lot. Delivery was a little bit short. This time around, they're looking at a fresh leg. Money is coming in and marquee investors. So let's see how that goes. But if you look at it from 2018 onwards, it had gone to 55 rupees and it's still half of that price, though it's had a big run in the last
And
few days.
I mean, the other point, which I began by saying, the stock's up 70-75% in the very near term. So,
and also in terms of numbers, it's not making. There is nothing in terms of, I mean, obviously there is a top line, but
so just a FYI for
and they're
viewers.
sitting on debt as well. So,
Absolutely. Nimesh, thanks very much. But it's an interesting story worth tracking.